What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to use this plugin right here to create a sidechain, reverb, or delay effect.
Yeah, baby!
I'm gonna open whatever it is that you like to use, your preset that is. Let's make the second one our delay. I'm gonna rename it delay. Boom, orange. And what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to route this like this. Leave this, don't take it off, keep it, because what we're gonna do is turn the dry all the way off in this plugin so that we don't hear any dry signal from the delay, just the wet. Feel free to mess with your delay settings, obviously, but once you got that, literally just my method I like to use is with Fruity Limiter. There is a few more methods with different plugins that are a little more advanced, but this is very beginner friendly. And what you're gonna want to do is go to compressor, sidechain, connect it to your vocal, and then you can go ahead and turn the threshold all the way down, ratio all the way up. If you want, tone it down a bit, that's cool. Attack, you can keep. Sometimes I like to bring it up just to kind of let it be a little more not as so sudden. But I'm gonna kind of record a vocal right now and you guys will hear what I'm talking about.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Habit, Control S and all the time. So now if you guys notice, when I play this, you'll only hear the delay within the spaces, and once it hits the vocal, you won't hear it anymore, so no more clashing.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
And that is all you need. And also the nice thing about this is you can totally adjust this completely separate from
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Because there's no dry signal coming from here. Gives you a lot more control. And then you can also separately EQ that delay. Get rid of the mud, get rid of the lows, turn up the highs, whatever you want to do. Very useful. Literally, this one trick will take your will take your sound from sounding like you make music in your garage to being like on some Uzi type beat. But yeah, if this helped you out, it would help a lot. It would help me out if y'all left a like and sub, and I'll catch you on the next one.